Welcome to hifikids.com. I'm going to show you today how to sign up as a Scout Den leader and use the system for the day-to-day activities of Scout. So go to top right corner here if you have not signed up. Click on leader sign up. Make sure you fill up all these email address, username, password, full name, birth date, gender, and most important thing, you need to select category of this leadership as a Scout Den leader. There are multiple categories here: homeschool tutors, school headmasters, school headmistress, and so on. And for the Scout, we have multiple positions like Scout Den leader, Scout assistant Den leader, Cub master, assistant Cub master, chairman, and so on. We are going to select here Scout Den leader. Select your country of residence: United States, state, city, zip code, about me, and important thing, you must select how did you hear about this hifikids.com, through friend, or put the image verification code. This is a security feature we have put in place. And then select whether you have read this agreement. There is a rules and condition, and we call this as a contract or agreement, and select this particular tab here. And once you sign up, you will get an email from the hifikids.com. In the email you will see a link to confirm the account, and once you confirm the account, your account is enabled. Now let me show you one sample sign up for Den leader. We have a sample sign up here. You need to go and sign up as a Den leader, which is pack 671 Den 4, and put the password. Once you sign up, you see the dashboard. This is the Den leader dashboard, and you will see a lot of news feed which are put by either news broadcaster or your friends. The first thing, if you are new to the Scout Den leader login, the most important thing you need to do is create a group for your den. Of course, you are a Den leader of particular den, which is either tiger or bear or wolf or webelos. So go to group section, or maybe my groups. Click here, and you see create group. Click on create group. So you will see a form where it is showing up to enter you all the information needed to create a Scout group. Let's say your Scout group name, you want to put it as this is for the website where it is going to show your Scout group, and let's say it is Den 4 Webelos pack 671 Gurney. Make sure that it is a private group so that no other members can join. Private means you have to give the password to the members to join. Put a slogan, let's say go scouting. Select a den, let's say Webelos. We have a den number as 4, Scout pack 671. District Gurney, Council North Isle or North Illinois, and just put some description. This is Den 4 pack 671 Webelos group in Gurney. You just create it. Once you create the group, the group is created, you just go in the tab called manage group, click on manage, and you will see the whole form here. If you want to put a logo, just click on logo section, browse the image and put the logo, but otherwise all your information is available here, and you have to just make sure that you put the password for your, and make sure you set this group as private and give the password. So let's say you put the den4 as the password and provide this password via email or in the den meeting to your scout boys, so that when they create a login and when they want to join the scouting your den group on this system, they have to enter, click on the group section, see which group they have respective to their den, click on that, it will ask a password, you put this password what you have just provided. Let us go to sample group right now, what we have created earlier. Let me go here. Actually, I need to go in my scout tab so that it shows my scout groups. Let's see this. There are 5 members here, so I'm going to click on this, and it is showing the group member. There are 5. I can see who are the members of this group. These are 6 scout boys who joined this pack 671 den4 tiger group. Once the group is created and once the scout boy join this group, you just need, as a den leader, you need to go to the scout console now. On the left hand side corner here, there is a scout. Click on this and it shows the console. This is your console. You will see the list of all scout boys here. There are 6 members. You can individually go and see their record, what activities they have completed. You can clearly see in this form that they have completed all these activities. And as a den leader, you can go and change their record. That means you can you have all the leader authority to basically edit their record. And I just clicked on edit button right now, and I can go ahead and basically add some activities which they might have completed and they forgot to put it in their record. So I'm just adding a couple of more, 36, 39, 37, 40 and 38, 41, let's say. So maybe this particular boy has completed this. Let me show you the right now the award section. You see that Bobcat rank 100%, Tiger Totem 100%, Tiger rank is 60%, White beats 100%, Orange beats 33%, Black beats 0%. So it automatically calculates the awards for each individual scout member, scout boy for this particular den. So I just added couple of more activities, and let's see how this record gets updated. So I'm just going to save it. So it has updated the record. Now check this. The yellow disc was 0 and it has become 1. Orange beats, now it shows 33%. Black beats still showing 0%. Tiger rank is 60%, and so on. So automatically this record gets updated, and it gives you idea like how much they have earned so far automatically, instead of going through manual process by the den leader and giving it to the chairperson, advancement chair, and calculating all this manually. So this is how the record gets updated, and individual scout record can be printed out. Just there is a icon here, PDF icon. You can just click on that and it generates the PDF record. So this is the PDF record of that scout boys complete record. You can see all these awards, Bobcat, Tiger Totem achievements, electives, how many activities they have completed, how many they completed but not approved, all the record at one place. You can print this, you can send it to your advancement chair, so advanced furniture can basically update this data on the council website.